channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn about elements tool in Canva. So this is my third class in the series of Canva. If you didn't watch out my other classes like class 1 and class 2, the link is in the description. Watch them out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So in today's video, we're gonna learn about elements. Elements are key to designs. You really need elements in Canva in designing anything like a poster, a card, a business card, or even a video. So in today's class, we're gonna make a happy birthday card using the elements, text, and frames. So let's dive into it. And by the way, whatever letter I click in my, keyboard, you can see it on the, at the bottom. And my mouse has a yellow highlighted circle. If I'm gonna click on the left button, then it's gonna show it in red. If I'm gonna click it on the right, if I'm gonna right click, then it's gonna be blue. So this kind of helps you in learning. Look how much courage and I'm trying to help you learn a lot of things. Just you need to do is just click that subscribe button. Thanks a lot. So let's dive into it. So let's search a poster. Enter. And now let's take a portrait. You can take any template, any size or any format. It's up to you. So this is my interface. Let's go in the elements and search a purple background. Purple, because I need a funky purple background. Oh, it's already here. Let's just click on it. Let's go in the graphics. In the graphics, you kind of see like things in the graphics and photos. You see some real life images. And in the videos panel, you see some videos like, and these are kind of really nice. You can actually explore it a lot. Canva is full of diversities. Now you can see some, I know, some audio, some shapes, and some mockups. We're gonna dive into mockups later. I know there's not gonna be research. I'm just going in the graphics panel. Scroll down and down. Oh, I kinda like this one. I'm gonna right click on it, set image as background. I kinda like this background. If you're gonna double click on the background, like if the image you have set as background, you can like position it that in which position you want to show it. Well, I'm just gonna put it in the middle somehow. Like, okay, just over here. So this is my background. I've set in my background. Now let's do some birthday decorations. Oh, I like these balloons. They're kind of effective. I'm gonna small them up. I'm gonna put it over here. Crease the side. And do them like this. And then I'm gonna click Alt and drag my mouse. I'm gonna put it like this. Alright, it's kind of looking nice. Now what I'm gonna do is that I need to search for some, decorations on the wall. I'm gonna put this over here like this. Nice. Now I'm gonna apply some colors on it. Cause I don't like the colors already. Like, look before the colors. They were pretty dark, dull. And after making it, it's looking like pretty much highlighted and I'm liking it, kind of. So now what I need is a birthday gift. Like a gift. Enter. And let's start. Oh, I like this one. Or maybe this one. Yeah, this one is kind of matching my background. I'm gonna like this. And I'm gonna do resize it a little. Gonna put it like this. I'm gonna click Alt and drag it. Then I'm gonna do like this. Over here. And I'm gonna right click on it, go on layer, send to front. You can even do like this, or you can click on control and this for behind, this is for back, and this is for in front. You might not see a huge difference in it. So for creating a difference, I'm just doing these like random things over here. So it creates a type of difference. Now I'm looking at this. Now I want this to go at the very back. I'm gonna do control and this this square bracket. And if I want this in a little back, so this is how you can reposition them. So like that. And I hope now it's in the front. Now I'm gonna crust it up. Now at the home page, if we scroll down, we find some frames. Basically, frames help us to keep any photo which we want to present it in a kind of a frame image. Like I'm choosing this one, it's looking nice. I'm gonna like this, resize it a little. I'm gonna put it in the between, and I'm gonna control back and that. Alright, it's looking nice. Now I need a birthday girl, like to actually be in the frame. Okay, this is nice. I'm gonna click on photos because I don't want a fake picture. I want photo in it. And this one I'm liking it. And she's kind of matching the theme even. Alright, this is looking nice. Now comes the turn of now it's the turn of text. Why not we use some text? We use the frames, elements. Now it's time for some fun text. That's right. If we click on T, it is a shortcut for text. Or you can even go here and search for text you want. Like this T is just a shortcut. I'm gonna write happy birthday. Okay. I'm gonna go over here and I've already saw this font and I want to show you. Its name is Riley. Okay. It's kind of funky font. Okay, I like it. And before the video, I was AFK and I looked for a font. So don't think like I already know it. I kind of searched it. You can also explore. I'm gonna do it a dark purple, like this purple, or maybe more darker. Now, and I can even edit. And look, you can only use this option if you're a pro user. I'm gonna darken it up a little. And now I'm going to use this purple. And I'm going to effects shadow. And I'm choosing a shadow a little lighter. Just do a lighter. This is similar to that. Let's actually create a brand new. I guess this is perfect. I'm going to use this. Now I created an effect in it. It's kind of looking nice. I'm going to centerline it. I'm going to like little bit making them small because they are so huge. Anyway, the gift. Looking nicer. Not bad. I'm gonna click Alt and happy birthday to you. I'm just writing anything. I actually don't know what should I write. Birthday to you. This nice. This is a nice little text message I could write. I'm just gonna write it over here. And I'm gonna tilt it like this. And yeah, I'm actually gonna make this a capital D and this a capital Y. Now it's looking nice, isn't it, guys? I hope you liked this video. Well, I just wanted to do one last finishing touch. And I'm gonna make this girl a name. What about Helena? Helena. Not a bad name. I know this text is kind of pretty much small. She's Helena. I'm gonna resize it and put it over here. Yay! And just a last finishing touch. Hope you loved this video. And birthday decorations. Who doesn't have a birthday without some decorations of funky decorations like this? It's looking nice. I'm gonna send it to back. Nice. And by the way, I'm gonna reduce this transparency a little. This is my finishing touch. Hope you love this video. And you can create lots of things using the text frames and even the elements. Elements are really useful and handy. So please explore them. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.